Having trouble with your Wi-Fi connection in your home? Let's untangle this tech headache. First off, check the basics. Is your router turned on? Give it a reboot and plug it from the power. Wait 30 seconds, and plug it back in. Those blinking lights should stabilize once the router is properly booted up. Still no signal? Check the Wi-Fi signal strength on your devices. Is the signal weak? Move closer to the router walls, and other obstructions can disrupt the signal. Next, ensure you are connected to your correct Wi-Fi network. It is so easy to accidentally select the wrong network or a neighbor's. Also, try forgetting and reconnecting to the network. That's often a useful trick. If the problem persists, there might be interference on the Wi-Fi channel your router is using. Access your router settings usually by typing its IP address, like 19,216,811, into your web browser. Look for the Wi-Fi channel setting and try changing it. Experiment with different channels until you find one that works best. Try to avoid channels with overlaps with other networks. If all else fails, your router might be outdated or faulty. Consider upgrading to a newer router, especially if you are using older Wi-Fi standards. If the issue persists or you're still not sure, contact your internet service provider for help.